herenga o ngā ika āwhiro o te Taraipiunara o Waitangi, hei whakanui I te rima tekau tau o te Taraipiunara.
So I think the Waitangi Tribunal has really had a profound effect on how we understand New Zealand legal history, not least because of its impact on how we understand Te Tiriti o Waitangi and the history around the relationship between Māori and the Crown.
Māori issues are issues of nationalism and not racism.
No te tau 1979 mārima I Hawaii a Maturata I te ture o te tiriti o Waitangi 1979 mārima. Nā tērā I hua mai ai ko te Taraipiunara o Waitangi. E whakamāno ana te tiati Māori tuatahi a rā ko tā iwa jury I tāna mahi.
So I really do think that Matt Rata is not sufficiently recognised when we talk about our history. He really was ahead of the game.
I tuātea ai a Tākuta Hana O'Regan ki te Taraipiunara no te tau 2021, hei waha mo tōna iwi o Kāi Tahu. A e whakamārama ana ia I ngā whakaaweawe o te Taraipiunara ki runga I a Kāi Tahu, pēnei I Te Kerēme, tētahi o ngā urupounamu nui.
It was bigger than life. It was all that was talked about. It was making sure that because that was 136 years of unbroken petition from when our claim started in 1849, this was the biggest opportunity we'd had to be heard. I remember Dad saying we had one lawyer and we were up against all of the resources of the Crown.
I whakatau ai Te Kerēme o Ngāi Tahu no te tau 1928. Whai muri mai I te tukuna o tētahi kerēme ki te Taraipiunara I te tau 1986. Ka hoki ngā mahara o O'Regan ki taua wā.
I was 13 by the time our claim was filed with the tribunal, so 1986. I remember the build-up to it and the huge build-up that was happening right across our iwi. Because of just how monumentous it was to have the opportunity.
No te marama o mei 2024, neke atu I te 3,300 o ngā kerēme ko tukuna ki te Taraipiunara. A ko tōna 71 pai heneti ko tutuki I nei tau e rima tekau. Ko tā jury, he mahi kei te haere mo te Taraipiunara.
The other big thing was Jeff Palmer said it all a long time ago. He said we needed a written constitution. And he's since said, well, we might not get that for a while. And Judge Fox has taken us into that constitutional area. If you can get that right, then it solves so many of our problems.
Ko whai wāhi mai ko te Taraipiunara I te ara o Ngāi Tahu kia riro I te mana. A ka pērā hoki mo ngā tau e rima tekau e heke mai nei. Shakayla Andrews Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo